Organizing an event like the MTC and Clean is important to connect and create a network between us and the supply chain. We've been doing this approach in other events at ASML for quite a few years, and I think this also works perfect for the Manufacturing Technology Conference as we have it here. Looking at the collaboration between supply chain and ASML and how we should have an early involvement, because the machines at ASML, of course, extremely complex to manufacture, and also having our engineers and engineers in the supply chain work together, that they know from each other what properties, what manufacturing techniques are necessary to achieve what the requirements are that we need for our machines. That's why it's essential we connect in an early stage. These kinds of conferences also help people connect in that network with those suppliers and make sure we don't end up too late in the supply chain before we figure out how to do it together. The supply chain between ASML and the complete chain in the coming 5 to 10 years is only going to get more complex. Our systems are getting more complex, but also the techniques we need to develop and manufacture these machines. That's why I think working together more closely, looking more ahead to what we need to do to manufacture the parts is essential to survive. Otherwise we will not have the parts in time for our machines. Well, the knowledge between ASML and its supply chain on manufacturability, if we do not develop that in the coming years, while our system is getting more and more complex, we'll end up in situations either where our supply chain cannot even manufacture what we think we have designed, and the other way around, our designers need to know upfront, early in the chain, what the techniques are, what the material properties are that can be milled or can be welded in such a way that it develops in the right direction for the parts that we need at ASML. Cleanliness and contamination control is crucial for the products of ASML. This applies both to DPV and EUV. In the past years we had experience where cleanliness, especially of the parts that we produce and assembly in our products, ruin the yield of our customers. And that is at very high cost for our customers. So that's why we have to bring down the cleanliness to such a level that our customers have a proper yield for their products. Both ASML employees and colleagues working in the supply chain should not miss the Manufacturing Technology Conference and Clean.